It's day 47 of a pack a day. Currently streaming Apex Legends on Twitch, YouTube, and Trovo. So if you want to come through and have a chat, feel free to. I usually stream most days, maybe twice a day, depending on how bored I am. Beauty, Stone Energy, Shuckle, Rylu, Eevee, C-Dot, Electrike, Clefairy. Ooh. Don't think I have the Zekrom. Give me 1 second. I don't know if I have the Reverse Hollow Beauty. This one is 60. So 60. So he's in there now. And I already got the Beauty Reverse Hollow, so that one doesn't need to go in there. Awesome. Join us for tomorrow for the next one.